Do you want to unlock your full potential? Transform your body? Build strength and confidence? All it takes is just 15 push-ups a day. Push-ups are a simple yet effective exercise that can completely transform your body. They target multiple muscle groups, including your chest, arms, shoulders, and core. By incorporating 15 push-ups into your daily routine, you can start seeing visible changes in your physique. Your chest will become more defined, your arms will become stronger, and your core will become tighter. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Push-ups also have a powerful impact on your mental well-being. As you challenge yourself to do more each day, you'll build discipline and resilience. The best part is you don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership to do push-ups. You can do them anywhere, anytime. So where do you start? Begin with proper form. Place your hands shoulder-width apart. Engage your core and maintain a straight line from your head to your heels. Bend your elbows and lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground. Then, push back up to the starting position. Start with a number of push-ups that feels comfortable for you and gradually increase the reps. Remember, quality over quantity is key. If you're new to push-ups, you can modify them by starting on your knees instead of your toes. Over time, as you build strength, you can progress to full push-ups. You don't need to dedicate hours at the gym to achieve a strong, sculpted body. Just 15 push-ups a day can make a world of difference. So, are you ready to unlock your full potential? Join us on this transformative journey. Incorporate 15 push-ups into your daily routine and watch your body and mind thrive. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content that will help you unlock your full potential.